what's up YouTube? Olsenbro here with another review. And those of you who have seen some of my older videos may recall that I did an unboxing of this wood watch right here. And over the years I've gotten a lot of compliments on this watch just because it was unique at the time. I think it still kind of stands out with this wood. I believe it's bamboo if I'm not mistaken. But it is pretty awesome. I've loved it. It's really lightweight. Anyway, today I'm unboxing a watch as well from a company called TreeHut. So their website's treehut.co, and it is a combination of wood, marble, and stainless steel. In fact, on their website here, it is called the Atlas Walnut Blue Marble, and it says travel through time with the Atlas collection, TreeHut's first automatic watch. It is also my first automatic watch. It charges itself as you move, which is fantastic. Featuring a real marble dial with a small window revealing the movement, adorned with wood bezel on a vintage-inspired barrel-shaped stainless steel case, creating the minimal and versatile everyday watch for the profound, well-traveled man. I'm kind of well-traveled. I've been to Brazil. This thing is made from stainless steel with a walnut inlay. The case is 43 millimeters. The strap is 22 millimeters, and it's beautiful. So let's take a look at it right now. Can you see that little window there? There we go. So it's got that little window there. You can see through and see the movement going on. And on the back side, you can see it's got the automatic. See how it moves around there? And that's actually how it charges that battery. So this thing is pretty slick. Now when I got it, normally when I get a watch, I mean, I've gotten a few over the years, and they usually come with all the links on them, and all the ones I've had, and I never have to take off a link because my wrist is pretty large. And so I was surprised this one was really small, but it did come with 2 extra links. So I took the time, and it wasn't very hard, but I added 2 more links, and what I realize now is I added them both to the same side. That was pretty dumb. So I may take one of these off and put it to this side so that the clasp is even. The clasp has the dual clasp, so you click them on both sides like that. But with the two extra links that I added on, now it fits my wrist just perfectly. And it's got a nice heft to it. It's got a good weight to it. It's just perfect. Check that thing out. So it's not too thick, not too high. Like I have an Invicta watch, that sucker is thick, and it sticks out quite a bit. If you've ever noticed an Invicta watch, which I like because I'm a big guy, this one's a great compromise. Not as small as one of my other ones like this one. This one's pretty tiny. You know, it's got a bigger watch face, so it fits me pretty good. Compared to my Apple Watch, you can see the size difference. It's pretty similar. This is the 44 millimeter watch from Apple. Overall, I'm loving this thing. It's elegant, it's beautiful. I like the dial. It's not clicking dial. It's more like the old Rolex, where it's just a smooth dial going around. And that marble's pretty nice looking. The wood inlay on it's pretty beautiful. Overall, I'm super happy with it. These guys have over 20,000 5-star reviews. They ship worldwide. They have charities where they support, they help people get water. They're family owned and operated, and they're based out of San Francisco, California. So pretty cool little company. This is my first watch from them. They sell other things. They sell watches and sunglasses, and I think some jewelry as well. But they're known for their watches, and they have a variety of different watches. They have zebra wood, they have also ebony, they have all sorts of different kinds of woods and different watches, different styles for men and women. So I'll put a link in the description where you can go check it out for yourself. Give them some support, some love. There are other videos out there showing you how to take off these links, and I'll put a link in the description where you can find one of those as well. Any comments, questions, put it in the comment section. Thanks so much for checking this out, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share.